What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 956 Flipz. Today I am at Goodwill again. Let's go see what we can find. Go see. It's gonna be a pretty long walk. I parked far away. I'm riding around in my truck. It's a pain in the butt to park, especially in those little confined spaces. Not used to it yet. Haven't seen my latest video. Got the US flag baby in the back. I'm probably gonna sand it down and paint it myself. Haven't really decided. The doors need to paint. I've also been thinking about trading it in for a newer truck. I've been told yes, I've been told no. She runs pretty good, but you know, she's getting up there in age. You have to start doing major improvements like underneath rust, changing shocks, stuff like that, brakes, tires, all kinds of stuff. So I haven't decided yet. We'll see. Here we go. The orange tags are 75%, green 50, and yellow 25. Trying not to show anyone's face. Here we go. It's a little bunch of chairs, little sofas, little ottoman, belts. See if there's anything new today. Hopefully. There's a little tote with a lid for $4. Yeah. Pretty beat up. I'm gonna leave that one there. A little fridge and some speakers. And bring back memory of these box speakers. There's some clubs. Spalding. I wish I knew more about clubs. I don't know anything about them. Swing by. I'm gonna do the toys. Like I said, I don't see anything new. God knows what that is. There's nobody at media, so let's go over to the media section. Oh, here's a pool. He's $3. Probably gonna buy that. It's like the only monkey I like. We'll come back and look. There's more room. We'll go around. There's a line of people. Excuse me. Excuse me. Like the lines get bunched up there and can't walk through. So here we are, we made it to the other side. Guys, check out my previous video. There's one of those little cleaning robots for $40. Like I was saying, check out my previous video. I found some found a nice Sony Handycam. Looked brand new. I ended up picking up for $8. That's nice. And it sells for like 150. So here we are at the media. Same old games. There's some more movies. I'll wait till that section clears up. Come back and look. There's the shoes. I don't know what they are. Never heard of them. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this little clip of Goodwill. I'm going to see if I can find anything and I'll let you guys know if I picked up anything. Alright, just left Goodwill. Got this Moana Maui's hook. It lights up and sings. What it did in there, I don't know. There you go. I think that's pretty cool. This was $1.99. I got this talking puppet. Well, not talking, but a puppet. This was 99 cents, I believe. Yeah. It sells for about 10 bucks. The Maui hook sells for about 15. Nothing stupendous. And I bought this just because I like Apu from Aladdin. He was $2.99. Looks like an older plushie with these hard plastic eyes. So that's it from Goodwill, guys. Let's keep trucking.